Is your PDF showing up sideways or upside down? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rotate PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Reader, explain the difference between temporary and permanent rotation, and help you choose the right option. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF you want to rotate. You can click Open File from the home screen or open the document directly from your computer. For a quick view adjustment, open the View menu, choose Rotate View, and then select either clockwise or counterclockwise. Yeah, you can also use the keyboard shortcuts if they're available. It's important to know that Adobe Acrobat Reader only rotates the page for viewing. This doesn't permanently change the PDF file. If you close and reopen the document, the page will return to its original orientation. If you want the rotation to be permanent, you'll need Adobe Acrobat Pro or another PDF editor that supports page editing. You know, Acrobat Reader doesn't include the option to permanently rotate and save PDF pages. Even though the rotation isn't permanent, the Rotate View feature is perfect when you're reading scanned documents, presentations, or pages that were saved in the wrong orientation. If you want to return the page to its original position, so simply use the Rotate View option again until the document is back to normal. This only changes your current viewing angle. And that's how you rotate PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Reader. I mean, it's a quick way to improve readability, even though it doesn't permanently modify the file. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.